Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This is Morix Trading Institute. In this video we're going to be running through analysis on EURUSD, and the analysis method I will be using is top-down analysis. And very quickly guys, if you are new to this channel, what I do here is to educate you, share with you information that is going to be helpful for you in the forex market. And as well, I share with you my market speculation, what I look out for from the market in the coming days. So very quickly guys, what I usually do in the market is to start my analysis on the weekly time frame. Okay, so I'm recording this video. Today is Tuesday 12 a.m. okay, so now what we're going to be doing right now is to identify the previous week high and the previous week low. Now this very candle here represents our previous week high and low. So this green candle here, it's our current week. Okay, so like I said, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and I'm recording this video. Yeah, it's actually 1 a.m. now on Tuesday. So like I said, this is the previous week high and this is the low of the previous week. And the next thing to do is to spot out the previous week high. Now this is it guys, this is me identifying the previous week high. Okay, and the next one is the previous week low. So this happens to be the previous week low. So here is it. Now what should we do next? Now instead of going on the daily time frame, I would rather just switch to the 4 hours time frame so that we can be able to get a clearer perspective of what we should be looking out for. So here's the 4 hours time frame, and you remember what we did? We identified this happens to be the previous week high and this is the previous week low. Okay, so what next are we to do is to check the internal structure. Now what we could see inside here is the price has actually broken structure. Okay, we have a change of character here and price is pushing all the way up, and we have a fair value gap here. So this is the fair value gap we have here. Okay, so this is the fair value gap we have here, and let's check our premium and discount level. We have this right here, this low and this high here before price retracement. So this is our the green part, the green area here. This is our premium level and this is our discount level. Now what we're expecting is to see price come below this 50%. Okay, this is 50%, the equilibrium. So what we're looking out for is to see price tap into the red zone. Okay, in either this the top level of the discount level, or maybe dip more inside to the other block level, you know, for more entry opportunity or confirmation. But basically once price dip into the discount level, it's already indicating that we are already launched in the zone that we need to be ready and prepare for price execution or trade execution. So let's tune to the 50 minutes time frame. So here's what we have on the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we could see price pushing downward, coming back into the zone. So let me take out this area. So we could see price pushing down, coming to this level here. Remember what we did? This area here, this happens to be our fair value gap that we identified on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so we're expecting price to drop into this level here give us a confirmation, and then we buy. And where are we buying to? We're basically buying to the high of the previous week. Now it's going to look like something like this. So it's going to look like something like this from here, for example, and then price move all the way to this level, and I'll stop loss somewhere right about here. Okay, so something like this. And what's the risk to reward? We're basically doing 1:7. Basically we're risking 5%, and we're targeting more like 85%. Okay, so that is that, guys. And so let me do a sketch to show you guys how it should look like when we get to this zone for price execution. Okay, price comes this way, retrace, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, either a double bottom and then a break of structure here, and then we execute our entry somewhere right about here, and then boom, to our take profit level, something like this. I believe you've gotten the analogy correctly. So this is how I trade, and this is what we should be looking out for on EURUSD. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you're new to this channel, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified anytime I make post of new videos. I love you guys. Have a nice day.